MarShall PTAC Air Conditioning Services has been in the business of keeping your home comfortable. From our expert air conditioning and heating installation to our speedy repairs, we provide top-notch services for your entire home comfort system. It is our belief that your home deserves the very best. That is why we strive for 100% customer satisfaction. We promise you will be happy with our services and our pricing. We're the company that repairs AC units, steam, hot water boilers and heat pumps, AC maintenance, tune-ups and safety inspections, home heating, and air. We do it all. Call us 516-834-1562.